The health benefits of papaya juice. 1. Papaya is a delicious fruit which grows in tropical countries around the world. The orange flesh can be made into a tasty juice which has some excellent health benefits for the human body. 2. Papaya juice contains a powerful enzyme called Papain, which helps the stomach to break down protein. This is helpful for those who suffer with acid reflux, GERD or low stomach acid. 3. The rich source of fibre in the fruit is a natural cure for constipation, making you use the toilet more often. This is important as when we are constipated, waste can rot within the colon and cause health problems over time. 4. Papain has also been shown to lower inflammation throughout the body for those who suffer with asthma or arthritis. Lowering inflammation helps the body to become healthy overall and even slows the effects of aging to the skin and vital organs. 5. Studies show that heart disease can be linked to low levels of vitamin C in the body. Papaya juice contains lots of this important vitamin, which strengthens the heart and prevents a buildup of cholesterol plaque in the arteries. 6. Often papayas are blended with milk to make a smoothie in warm countries. This tastes absolutely delicious and has a cooling effect on the body. 7. Those who wish to lose weight should consider drinking the juice or eating papayas often. This contains very few calories yet helps the body to feel full, making you less likely to snack or overeat. 8. Papaya juice is rich in vitamin A, one of the most important nutrients. This protects eyesight from degenerating with age. It also reduces the risk of macular degeneration, eye diseases and stiffness of the lens. 9. The vitamins and minerals also help women to deal with painful periods during menstruation. The enzyme Papain helps the blood to flow more easily, which in turn reduces pain and discomfort. 10. To make papaya juice, simply peel the fruit and scrape away the seeds. Blend the flesh with a little water and then drink. You can pre-slice your papaya and place them in freezer bags with 1 cup portions. This makes it easier to make them when you are busy. 11. Papaya juice contains a great range of antioxidants, flavonoids and phytonutrients. These help to protect the cells from free radical damage. Studies have shown that papaya can reduce the risk of colon and prostate cancer. 12. If you suffer with stress or anxiety, then drinking freshly made juices can help. The vitamins and minerals within help the body to produce relaxing hormones in the brain. 13. The leaves of the papaya tree can also be brewed into a herbal tea. This is often used to reduce insulin resistance for those with diabetes. To learn more about this, please see our other video at the end. 13. If you have stomach-related health issues, you can purchase chewable Papain tablets in health food stores. These will help in breaking down food, nutrient absorption and stomach pH. 15. Papaya is also an excellent ingredient to add to salsa. This can be blended with red peppers and jalapenos to make an excellent topping for fish dishes. To learn more about healthy juices and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.